Hi. In this video, let us solve a problem of square pyramid. The problem is like this: a square pyramid, 35 mm sides of base and 65 mm axis length, rest on HP on one of its edges of the base, which is inclined to VP at 30 degree. Draw the projections of the pyramid when the axis is inclined to HP at 45 degree. The type of pyramid is square pyramid. The dimension is given 35 and axis length is 65 mm. It is resting on HP. Therefore, we are going to draw the top view first. Okay, that will be the true shape. And the condition is it is resting with one of its edges. Therefore, we're going to keep the edge towards the right. Okay, for second stage, we have a theta angle, that is inclination with respect to HP, that is 45 degree. For third stage, we need a psi angle, that is inclination with respect to VP. Okay, that is 30 degree. Okay, this is a normal problem, not a beta angle problem, because here the edge of the base, which makes an inclination with respect to VP. Okay, let us solve this problem. Okay, first I'm going to draw XY line, go to line command, continuous line, thickness 0.13 mm. Okay, draw XY line. Now go to text option. Okay, here I'm going to choose Times New Roman and the size is 3.50 mm. Okay, name this capital X, capital Y, and name VP and HP. Okay, above XY line will be having VP, below XY line will be having HP. Okay, since this pyramid is resting on HP, the true shape, okay, is a top view. The top view looks like a square. Therefore, I'm going to construct a square first. For that, go to application, macros, run macros, inside polygon, open. Okay, here we have to choose flat plane. The dimension is 35 mm. Number of side is 4. Okay, minimize this and now click somewhere on the sheet. Okay, since this problem is resting with one of its edges, I'm going to keep the edge towards right. Okay, now draw the diagonals. Go to line command, continuous line, thickness 0.50 mm. Okay, now name this square pyramid. Okay, I'm going to name this as A, this corner as B, this corner as C, this corner as D. Okay, here, okay, if you view the square pyramid from the top side, O is visible, whereas O1 is invisible. Okay, now draw the projection line to get to the front view. Line continuous line, thickness 0.13 mm. From corner T to XY line, from corner A to XY line. Okay, from the center point, that is to draw the axis line. Okay, now we know that the axis length is 65 mm. We go to line command. Here I'm going to choose the axis line, that is long dash, short dash line. Okay, from here the length is 65 mm. Enter, the angle is 90 degree. Okay, now join this apex to the endpoint of first projection line. Okay, here I'm going to choose continuous line, thickness 0.50 mm. From endpoint of first projection line to the apex, again from here to the endpoint of last projection line. Okay, here use split lines only. Okay, now name. Okay, here you can see if you view the square pyramid from the front side, B is visible, whereas A is invisible. Therefore, this is P dash in bracket A dash. Okay, here O1 that is not visible, therefore in bracket O1 dash. Okay, here C is visible, D is not visible, C dash in bracket T dash. Okay, here O that is visible, this is O dash. Okay, show the dimension. Axis length is 65 mm and dimension of square pyramid is 35 mm. Okay, now stage 1 is over. Okay, the stage 2 is axis of the pyramid makes an inclination of 45 degree with HP. Okay, select entire front view of stage 1. Okay, go to move option, select any one corner, switch on the copy command, place it somewhere on the XY line. Okay, now go to rotate option, switch off the copy command. Okay, select the fixed point and movable point. Okay, the rotation angle is 90 minus theta. 90 minus 45 is 45. Enter, choose the direction. Okay, now draw the projection lines to get the top view. Thickness 0.13 mm from A to A and B to B. Can name it. Okay, this is A. This is corner B. Next C and D. Okay, this is corner D. This is corner C. Then next O to O. Choose the intersection point. Trim out the extra lines. Okay, this is O. Okay, we need O1 also. Okay, this is O1. Okay, here you can extend this line, axis line, and show the angle. It should be 45 degree. Okay, now connect all the boundary point by using visible line. Go to line command, continuous line, thickness 0.50 mm. Okay, start from O, O to A to D, D to C, C to B, B to O. Okay, now analyze. Okay, now if we view this, the front view, that is square pyramid from the top side, see the lower surface is away from the viewer, therefore is not visible. Therefore, I'm going to connect by using dashed line. That is from A to B. Okay. Similarly, you can see that O to C and O to D is nearest to the viewer. They connect by using visible line. O to C and O to D. Okay. From O to O1 is axis line. Okay. Change the line type. Okay, I'm going to trim this, Go to line command, choose axis line. Okay. Okay, this is stage 2. Okay, next is stage 3. The stage 3 is edge of the base which is inclined to VP at 30 degree. Okay, first I'm going to draw one line which is parallel to an XY line. Okay, choose any one reference point. Okay, draw one line which makes an angle of 30 degree with VP. Okay, this should be 30 degree. Okay, now the edge, the resting edge is AB. AB should come on this VP line. Okay, now go to select option, select entire the top view of stage 2. Okay, now go to move option. Okay, switch on the copy command. Okay, choose the corner A. Okay, place corner A on that VP line. Okay, now go to rotate option. Switch on the copy command. Choose corner A as a fixed point, corner B as a movable point. Place it on that VP line. Okay, now draw the projection line to get the front view. Go to line command, continuous line 0.13 mm. I'll start from A to A. Okay, this point is A dash. Next, B to B. B dash. Next, C to C. Okay, this is C dash. Next, D to D. Okay, this is D dash. Next, O to O. Okay, this is O dash. Okay, here also first I'm going to connect all the boundary point by using visible line. See, start from A dash to B dash, B dash to O dash, O dash to D dash, D dash to A dash. Okay, if you view this square pyramid, that is the top view of square pyramid from the front side, the lower surface, that is ABCD, is nearest to the viewer, therefore it is completely visible. Therefore, I'm going to connect by using visible line. Okay, B dash to C dash, C dash to D dash. Okay, now we can see O to A. Okay, O to A is away from the viewer. Correct. Therefore, I'm going to away from the viewer means it is not visible. I'm going to connect by using the dash line. Okay, that is O to A. Okay, here, okay, O to C. O to C is nearest to the viewer. It is visible. Therefore, I'm going to connect by using visible line. Okay, now we can show the axis line also. Draw the projection line from O1. Okay, this is point O1. Now join by using axis line. Here, if you want, you can trim out all, okay, after the solution, you can trim out all unwanted lines here. So this is how it will look. Okay, this is stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Thank you.